Hey there, folks. If you've been scratching your head wondering why your Zelle transfers aren't going through in 2025, you're in the right place. I'm here to break it all down for you in a quick, easy-to-follow way. Zelle is that super convenient app linked to your bank account for sending and receiving money instantly, but sometimes it hits a snag. Let's dive into the common reasons this might be happening and how you can fix it. First off, one of the top culprits could be network issues. In 2025, with all the advanced tech out there, a weak internet connection or outdated app version can still cause problems. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and that your Zelle app is fully updated. Banks are constantly rolling out security patches. Another big reason is account verification troubles. Zelle often requires double checks for security, especially with rising fraud concerns. If your phone number or email isn't properly linked, or if there's a mismatch in your bank details, transactions can get blocked. Head to your bank's app settings and verify everything is correct. It only takes a minute. Then there's the possibility of insufficient funds or daily limits. Even in 2025, Zelle has safeguards to prevent overspending, so double-check your balance and any transaction caps set by your bank. If you're hitting these limits, you might need to wait a bit or contact customer support to adjust them. Don't forget about device compatibility. With new operating systems rolling out, your phone or tablet might not be fully compatible if it's an older model. Updating your device's software could resolve this quickly. Lastly, external factors like bank maintenance or regulatory changes in 2025 could be at play. Banks sometimes perform updates that temporarily disrupt services, so keep an eye on announcements from your bank. To wrap this up, troubleshooting Zelle issues is mostly about staying proactive. Check your connections, verify your info, and keep everything updated. If nothing works, reach out to your bank's support team. They're there to help. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.